Sencha Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be diving into a detailed review of the Sencha Mobile App Development Platform, exploring its features, performance, and overall usage experience. Links to the product and further resources are included in the description below. Sencha is a powerful mobile app development framework that enables businesses and developers to build high-quality, responsive mobile apps quickly. Its core offering is XJS, a JavaScript framework designed for building cross-platform apps with a rich user interface. One of the key benefits of using Sencha is its comprehensive set of UI components, including grids, charts, and data visualization tools that are optimized for mobile devices. These components help to accelerate the development process while ensuring a consistent and polished experience across different screen sizes. Additionally, Sencha provides built-in tools for data management, allowing seamless integration with RESTful APIs and handling complex data-driven applications. This makes it ideal for enterprises that need to deliver performance-critical apps with a high level of data interaction. Sencha is also designed with responsive web design in mind, which is crucial for building apps that perform well across multiple devices. The framework comes with its own robust theming and styling engine, so developers can easily customize the appearance to match any brand guidelines or user interface requirements. Its IDE, Sencha Architect, further simplifies app development by offering drag-and-drop functionality and visual components that speed up the process for both beginners and experienced developers. For businesses and developers focused on creating enterprise-grade apps, especially those with large datasets or requiring complex user interfaces, Sencha offers a comprehensive solution. It's an excellent choice for developers familiar with JavaScript and looking for a framework that can handle everything from simple mobile apps to more complex, data-heavy applications. In conclusion, Sencha's platform stands out for its feature-rich, flexible, and responsive tools that make mobile app development faster and more efficient. If you're looking for a robust framework with enterprise-level capabilities, Sencha is certainly worth considering. Don't forget to check the description for more information.